Good morning all of you. Today we are dealing with exercise 3.2 of chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. The first question of exercise 3.2 is form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. First subdivision of the question is 10 students of class 10th took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So for solving this problem, first we need to take the number of girls and number of boys. Okay? In order to find the number of boys and girls, we have to take variables as number of boys and number of girls. So let's start with, let the number of boys, let the number of boys be x. One of the variable you can take as number of boys and the other as number of girls. Accordingly you will get the answer. But the last answer will be the same for both the concept. If you are taking number of boys to be y and the number of girls to be x, then also the numbers will be same at last. And the number of girls be y. Now according to the question, they are saying that in total there were 10 students. In total there were 10 students means you have x boys and y girls. That means x plus y will be 10. That is the total number of students. And the second part is giving you another clue for the equation. That is, if the number of girls, which you have taken as y, if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. 4 more than number of boys is taken as x. So 4 more than the number of boys is x plus 4. Then you have to find out what is your x and y, that is the number of boys and number of girls. Now using this, we will find the solution. Find the solution means you have only studied what is graphical solution. So we will go for the graph of these two pairs. Okay. So first we will make for one equation, that is x plus y equal to 10. Again we will take your x and y to be, when x is 0, your y value will be 10, and when y is 0, x value will be 10. Now for the second one, which is your y is equal to x plus 4, you will get when x is 0, y is 4. And when y is 0, x plus 4 is equal to 0. That is x equal to minus 4. When y is 0, x is minus 4. Okay. Now in order to plot the graph, we have drawn x and y axis. Accordingly, the points vary from 0 to 10 for x and y in this equation. So I have taken till your x-axis and y-axis should have minimum 10. Okay. And for the other one, you have negative for x values and y value is varying till 4. So that is okay, since we have already taken 10 here. Okay. So negative also you need here. So what we are doing, first we will draw this. That is, when x is 0, y is 10. When x is 0, y is 10. And when y is 0, x is 10. When y is 0, x is 10. Joining these two. Okay, and write the name of this one, x plus y equal to 10. And the second one, which is y equal to x plus 4, is giving you x equal to 0 and y equal to 4. When x is 0, y is 4 means this is the point. And when y is 0, x is minus 4. So minus 4 comma 0 is this. So you are again joining these 2 points. Now while joining, you have to just extend so that the second line touches the first line. Like you have to extend like this. Okay, it will touch your scale. You can just extend it. So this line is your x plus 4 is equal to y. Okay. Now the point where they intersect, you can see that the two lines are intersecting at a point. This is that point. Now this point means in your graph, since I have not plotted in the graph, again I can get the value. This one and this one will give me the corresponding value. That means in your graph it will be clearly your point as this is your x, this is your y. Okay, so you are getting 3 comma 7. This point is 3 comma indicating 3 comma 7, and 3 comma 7 normally is your x comma y. And which one you have taken as your x? That is your number of boys. So number of boys is x, which is 3, and number of girls is y, which is 7. Therefore, the number of boys is equal to 3 and the number of girls is equal to 7. So that is your solution. Okay.